right, we're checking our water tanks, see how they're doing. So these are almost filled up with water completely. And it's 17 degrees. 17 degrees out today. And so that's gonna put them through the test anyway.
The ice is, there's like ice in here.
Yeah, so if they didn't freeze up 17 degrees overnight, or actually it's 17 degrees this morning, I think it got down to 11 last night. So if they didn't freeze yet, they're probably not gonna freeze, right, Layla?
Yeah.
Yeah, these are doing really good. So this is the new one that we just bought. And then this is the old deal. Good job. All right, and so we got some treats for them today.
Yay!
We got some carrots that we pulled out that are turning, we got that white coating on there, so we're gonna give them a little treat. You wanna give it to them?
Yeah.
All right.
But how would you do that?
Well, I'm gonna open it up slowly. We'll spill a little bit of water, but you can just put it in the very top. So that's the disadvantage of having this on the door. It's the only logical place to put it, but it just kind of stinks because we can't get all the way in there without losing the water. So probably should have gave it to him before we watered him, huh? But
yeah,
give him a little snacks. I got some more for this one.
He's not really doing it.
Not interested. Oh, now she goes. Now she's
now he's like,
yeah, there we go. All right, here you go. Here's some carrots for this one, and I'll open the door. And this one has a lid, so we won't lose as much water.
But it will still kind of leak a little bit.
Yeah.
Wait, he didn't have any food.
Oh, we gotta feed him.
I don't think he's interested.
Not yet. Probably looking for his pellets.
Mm.
Oh, now I found him.
He's like, it smells really good. But I'm not really interested in it.
All right, so we gotta get our pellets out. All right, you wanna put it in there or you want me to? I can open it if you wanna put it in there. So you can put it in the top.
I don't know how to open the top.
Right there, just slide that up. There you go. Awesome. All right, buddy. Got some fresh carrots.
Does he need
And your pellets. Yep. This one needs one. We're gonna lose a little bit of water. That's okay. Can you reach your hand in there?
Yep.
There you go. Awesome. All right. Now onto the chickens we got.
Oh, no, they're not.
We're gonna give them some water from this because I'm sure that everything else that's not in the pan is probably, you want to grab the water, and I've got some scraps and stuff. We had some spoiled milk, but it's not gonna go to waste. Chickens will love it. Yeah, lots of icicles, huh? So these guys are completely out of water. Everything in their big trough is completely frozen.
He must be sad. He must be really thirsty.
All right, so Layla, if you want to pour that,
Are they supposed to come out?
yeah, that's fine. So if you want to pour that into the blue pan there, our little heated pan.
Right here?
Yeah.
Wait, it heats up the water?
Yep. See how it's plugged in?
But
There we
it's
go.
like dirty water.
Oh, okay. Wash that out and then put some new clean water in there for him. I'm gonna.
Get it out. How do I get it into the ground?
Is it stuck?
Yeah.
Frozen to the ground, ain't it? If we tap on it too much, we're gonna break it. So we're gonna have to get something to. If you really want to clean it out for him, we're gonna have to get something to scrape it out with. There we go. I like how they like to poop in it. It's nice, isn't it? Okay. Get these leaves out of here. All right.
All of it?
Yep.
Does
until it's full. Until it's full.
The bag to the top. Like finally some water. It's pretty full.
All right, good deal. Probably have to come back out here right before it gets too dark and fill it back up for him. Until we can get a bigger heated bowl.
This is gonna be the supper or the breakfast.
Yeah, just wait till them ducks get to it.
You're gonna love it. He's stepping in it.
Yeah.
He's very nice.
All right, let's get him some food, some pellets. Do we have any eggs by chance? Still no eggs. No eggs to speak of. Oh well.
Where do the eggies go?
Well, they're not really laying right now because it's so cold. Put this back up. They knocked down. So they have some more perch. I'll have to nail that in. So no eggs, but we'll give them plenty of food. We might have to figure out a way. We gotta brainstorm and try to figure out a way how to make it warmer in here so that maybe they want to lay eggs in the winter. You got any ideas, Layla?
You could put a heater in here.
You could put a heater. As long as it didn't catch on fire, that'd be okay. We could insulate it, you know, because we just have the tin. Maybe we could put some insulation or something on there, huh? Maybe? Yep. We could close off all the little holes that let wind in. Oh yeah. They've been out of water all night.
Yep.
They haven't ate all their food.
This is for like supper, that's for like lunch, this is for like breakfast.
Yeah. They got a 5-course meal here, don't they?
Yeah, they get everything.
Got all of their water frozen there. I'm gonna clean up this mess they made in here today, and we'll get them some fresh, clean water and get them fed. Are you gonna be able to feed them through there? You're gonna have to go in. Go in. Watch the dog mines. It's a minefield in here. I'm gonna get it scooped up. Frozen dog poop.
Wait, do you want me to dump it out?
Yeah, all of it. Oh, was it dirty?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you want to do it clean.
Yeah.
Clean water.
Excuse me.
Come here, girls. Hey, come on. Hey, you can run around. Run around. Run around. You just want to be by your little girl, huh? Just want to be by your little buddy, huh? Be a veterinarian, you might have to scoop a little bit of poop, you know? Is that still what you want to be?
Yeah.
Awesome.
What if they don't let me in?
Well, you'll just have to make them.
Yeah.
You have to do really, really good, right? Have really good grades. They don't have a choice. You're one talented dog poop scooper. I cut these chunks off for them. It's like really, really dried meat and bones. They like chewing on these.
I was like, oh my gosh.
Hey, hey girl, here.
Like,
There's one for you too. Here you go. All right, I'll get them fed and then we'll be done with the chores. Outside chores anyway, for now. Yep. How you doing in here? How you doing in here? Oh, it's warm in here. Now I know why you're in there. Hey, girl. It's warm in there. Man, I can snuggle in there with you. It's warm. Yeah.
Hey, this is
All right. Yeah, we're checking the goldfish pond right now.
he's swimming.
And it's covered in ice, obviously. But we can still see the goldfish swimming down. Ugh. Hopefully I don't fall in here. But see, you can still see the goldfish swimming underneath. They're doing really good down there. I was kind of worried that they're not going to make it. But they're doing fine so far. It's about 4 foot deep down there. So they have a ways, but give them a hole here. So they have a little bit of air if they need it. So goldfish can they can breathe air on the surface of the water. They're not like other fish.
But the ice is in the way.
A little bit. There's a spot right there. They can get in there if they want to.
They're gonna be happy.
Yeah, most fish need the water circulated all the time to get oxygen, but goldfish can actually go to the surface if they need to, if they run out of oxygen in the water. Did you know that?
I thought fishies always can breathe underwater.
Well, I mean, they can, but some of them, I mean, sometimes when the water's not circulated, it runs out of oxygen. Because water has oxygen in it, and that's what the fish, when they're swimming along, they take the oxygen out of the water. And so goldfish can do that, or they can go swim to the surface and breathe the surface air.
I love ice.
Hmm?
I love ice. Wait, couldn't we went like skating on here?
I mean, I guess you could, but it wouldn't hold you.
Yeah.
It might hold you, but not very long. I think if you put all your weight on it, you'd fall through.
Yeah. And plus, if you went on it, it will just snap in half.
What does that mean?
It will just like snap.
What are you trying to say?
It will just snap in half.
Are you saying because I'm too heavy?
No. Well, you're like 3 of me.
I am.
Yeah, I only weigh 60 pounds.
Oh. Yeah, something like that.
You're not big and then possible for you.
And then we have Boone, who gets to sit in the comfort of the house. Right, Boone?
Boone can't
The new
wear-
puppy. A mini Aussie.